you want to tell them?
And we're going to the airport, and we're going to the Macdo.
We need to take our luggage first.
And we need to
Let's
take
go.
our
Go there.
luggage
Go with
first.
mommy.
And
Take our
back.
bag there. Okay?
Okay. So after this, we're going to Macdo see my Ninang Luz.
Ninang Luz. She's your Lola.
And see that I saw our
See it already? Lakay doon. It's foggy. Hello, we are here in Vienna. It's so foggy here.
Lagi kayo mag-food, ha?
Opo, ang lamig pala talaga.
Oo. 4 minutes, doon na lang tayo.
Love, your mouth.
Tayo na lang natin. Ano yun?
So,
Ayan o, pag. Ha? Train din. Hello!
Hello.
Oma! Hello! Kay Mami. Hello, Oma!
happy kami, happy.
We are here! Nag-iis mo ka bulan.
Oo nga. Masa usok?
Ay, lang yan ang usok.
Hindi, nausok siya. Okay. Hawa kay mami.
Oo, alam eh.
Sarap! Hello, Oman. Hello, Chandler.
Don't
I
mind.
miss you.
Okay, see? What do you want to tell?
A yellow tree and a red tree and the orange tree and the yellow tree
Where are you?
and the green and the violet tree. And I'm in
Dito pala tayo dapat kanina na gano'n. Dito pala dapat tayo kanina.
Galing mga ano to, no?
Ah.
Daddy, can I have a coin?
Ay, wala akong coin. Mamaya sa McDo ko tayo namang coin.
I will come back here, Daddy.
Yeah.
Birdie.
Doon ka sa may fountain. See, may rainbow. See, may rainbow sa fountain. You see it? There's a rainbow in the fountain in the middle. You see it? Rainbow.
Yes, I can see it. Wow.
Nice, no? There's a rainbow.
There's a bowl.
Yeah,
It's the
but,
princess and the frog doing.
yeah,
I'll dance for you.
yes.
Where?
Okay.
What's your name?
One more. Go, go. Dance.
What's your name? What's your name?
Maganda talaga sa tabi. Balikan natin to.
Again. Lakas mo. Okay.
Yeah, the children of the
Video din siya lang.
Sama ka doon.
Alis, suotin ko bukas yung boots mo. Kuya! Nasa sa'yo na ngayon. Ay, yung ano yung boots doon. Pipili ako. Oo.
Hello to the bird. Hello, Oma. Hello. I'm Mrs. Sandler.
Nice.
Dito, Stefan Platz dito. Stefan Platz. Dito ang ano ng
Tourist destination.
Itong cathedral nila.
Ay, mga turista. Kumusta ang mga turista?
Ano?
Kumusta ang mga turista?
Hello, Oman! Miss you, Oman! Miss you, Oman!
I'm Mrs. Sandler.
Sino kaya yung Oman?
Punta kayo rito.
Ay, sino kaya yung sinasabing Oman?
Kaya nga eh.
Ganun palang ano? Hello, Chandler.
Hello, Casey. Love you.
Noy.